Hi, my name is Praneeth. This is the video presentation about our final video presentation about a master's project. Our master's project is a software solution for Lithosphere. Now I will share my screen. Yeah, first I will show you the storyboard. Basically, our master's project is Uh, the main purpose of this project is development of an online code solution which enables them to send professional online codes in order to win new businesses through creation and sending of personalized codes online, or even estimate to the spot. When it comes to billing of the customer, the system will be able to create an invoice from the code in its system. It will have the following functionality. One of the first one is that it will be able to create code much quickly from anywhere. It will be able to customize codes in order to suit the business. Additionally, the system will be able to check on the status of the codes online and even turn codes into invoices. My contribution to project storyboard is I have done project to product and project approach. Yeah, the main purpose of this project is the development of an online code solution which enables them to send professional online codes in order to win new business through creation and sending of personalized online codes or even estimate to the spot. Project approach. In this project, it will be carried through use of agile approach, as this is based on the request and requirement of the client. This approach, it is one of the easiest and the widely used in developing application. In this project, it will be divided into various stages. Requirement stage. In this project, we will identify all the possible solutions based on the needs of the client. Plan phase. In this phase, the requirements and the ideas will be taken into perspective and a mapping will be carried out for the method and all the legalities will be carried out. Design phase. The design of the system and any changes will meet on the requirement of the client and will be considered. The client will be presented with changes and ideas in relation to development of the project. And these are our roles in this project, and these are our team members. I'm going to product roadmap. Yeah, in this product roadmap, my contribution is with the product vision. Lithosphere, they are real required. Lithosphere, the required order management solution which will help them in dealing with the codes which are made by the client. The organization required system to have the capabilities for handling on the request information of the clients. The proposed solution would be effective after implementation since it will be tailored based on the needs of the organization requirements. The expectations to the system will be documented, understood to ensure the system is fine-tuned to function just as the business owners would require it. In solution, it will be built to adaptable as well as scalable on the operations of the business. In the present age, there is value in the data for the business. In the sales and the customer data will be seen. The organization, through utilizing the huge volume of data, could help improve the organization experience, especially in reaching to the customers. In the development of this system, it will help the organization to send professional online codes in order to win new business through the creation in sending personalized online codes or estimates on the spot. In this system, it will be able to bill the customer through creation of an invoice from the code. In this system, usability will be featured to this system. Thus, there will be elimination of the costly and time remaining to the workers. In this system, it has also not neglected on the issue of the security since presently there are cyber threats issue. Thus, the system will be made secure to ensure the hacking or penetration does not take place. In this project, uh, we have total project is divided into 30 user stories, and we have divided the 30 user stories into 3 sprint retrospectives, 10 in each sprint retrospectives. And this is the Gantt chart. Now I am going to show the sprint one. In the sprint one, we have took first 10 user stories to complete. Yeah. And these are the tasks done by everyone. And my contribution is as I am the project manager, I did undertake various roles within the group. One of the roles which I was involved in was allocation of the different tasks to members of the group. I was also involved in the time management. This means I ensured that the members did keep time to hand over their tasks which they are located. Apart from these major roles, I also took part designing logo for main page, designing the front end for the code page, providing navigation from the main page to sign in and sign up, and creation of report output for the invoice generated. Yeah. And this is the BPM and diagram for our project. Now I am going to share some, sprint 2. Sprint 2. I show my contribution. Sprint 2. In sprint 2, I am the project manager of the team. I understand all the tasks from the client. I developed user cases for every individual user story and assisted my colleagues regarding how to complete each task. I divided each task between each team member responsible to complete the task. As I am the project manager, if a task is complex, then I discuss all the possible use cases with the tester for testing to make sure it's working fine. And in sprint 3, the sprint 3 we have took 10 user stories from 21 to 30. And this is the burn down chart of sprint 3. And I will show directly in the web portal. I'm logging as the customer. And this is the main page for our customer, and these are our products. We have 3 products, and these are the previous quotes the customer. And we can see the quotations, and now I am accepting the quote. This is the work done by me. We have accepted the quote. Now we can generate invoice, and this is the invoice of the customer. This accept quote and generate invoice is done by me. Now I will log in as a manager. This is the manager home page. We can see the previous quotations and number of customers and total products. We have 3 products, and we got inventory. We can add the product from here. We can view the products which are already there. We can delete them. You can see all accepted and declined quotations from here, and we can view the quotations of the customers. Yeah, this is basically our master's project. Yeah. Thank you.